So, as you can tell, Coleman lanterns throw a lot of light. And they're nice, but as you can tell, they're quite loud. This is, it's not deafening. It isn't an enclosed space, but you can definitely tell when they're working. And they've only got one brightness for the most part, and that's just bright. So, we're going to look at this other lantern. I'm going to turn this one off and see what we think. So before I got into the Dietz, figured let's have a look. This you're seeing here is the amount of light thrown on the high setting of the Ultimate Survival Technologies Pico lantern. That's the one that takes 4 AA cells. And that's on the brightest it gets. So that's not much, really. I mean, you can see where you're going, but that's it. Okay, so that is this one is the Goal Zero Lighthouse 250, which is rechargeable. It's got a hand crank. It's got a solar panel. You can plug it into USB. Very versatile lantern, but it's 85 or 90 bucks. And takes 48 minutes or so, or almost an hour, to bring it up to a full charge by cranking it. But still, it's nice, and it's a USB power bank. But we're not talking about that here, because like I said, it's expensive. So we'll look at the Dietz now. Alright, I figured while I was going to pull out the Dietz lantern and show you, we'll just light one up here. I keep the other one on just for lighting. So this is the Dietz number 80 Hurricane Lantern. Beautiful. And in Canada at Lee Valley Tools, it's about 20 bucks. Now, why this one? For one thing, it's got a big tank. It has a mechanism on it that puts it out if it falls over. And it takes standard wicks. The other big thing is this tank, I fill 3 of them with, how much is that? 1.69, well actually 1.9 liters of lamp oil. So how does that work out? Yeah, about 650 mils a tank. There's more in the Coleman lantern. Sorry, I'm looking up at it to see if it's cooled off yet, because Colemans take a long time to cool down. Yeah, so 650 mils or so. Very easy to light. And I use lamp oil for the most part. You can use kerosene, it's a little sootier, but here we go. It's quite simple. Lift it up. Adjust it so the wick comes up. Pretty easy here. There we are. Then I just give it a shot. Let it go. You don't want to snap this down. You see it's going. The neat thing is you adjust it downwards. Yes, it's a little foggy. The flame actually spreads out across the entire wick. You need to adjust it a little bit. You don't want it so there's a big flame like that. I know, it'll dry out. Don't worry about it. I like this because it's a nicer light. Really. So as you can see, they're not brilliant for throwing light. I mean, they're okay, but what I like about them is they're quite cozy. Especially if your place is painted white, it'll be a lot brighter. This is my covered deck, and I'm doing some renovations, and it's all kind of raw wood right now. But this is the thing, is, good for conversation. Great for your little cabin. And if you want to get the big thing of kerosene, or, spend 20 bucks on a couple of these, you're good for quite a long time. I mean, there's enough in here, which is what? Yeah, this is a gallon. And this 1 gallon, you will be good for about double. So it would run one of these about 6 tanks. Compare that to Coleman fuel, on the other hand, and that 1 gallon tank will run you, maybe 8-10 hours on one of those lanterns. So A good general backup if you don't need serious task lighting. Again, that's what you have a flashlight for. Just for area lighting, they're nice. And the nice thing is, they're really cozy. I like them. So, this is Dean. Thanks for watching the Alberta Bushcrafter channel. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Take care. And good day. I'm just going to relax here now for a bit. Because it's cozy.